If you have central air with an outdoor unit, a great routine is checking the insulation on the large refrigerant line every year. Replace it when needed to improve the efficiency and performance of your unit. The previous owner didn't seal the seam and faced it up rather than down. To remove the old insulation, use diagonal pliers or scissors to cut off zip ties. Use a utility knife to remove tape. Be careful not to cut the control wire. Measure the refrigerant line diameter and length. Rubber-coated or outdoor-rated pipe insulation that has an adhesive along the seam will last longer. Wrap the large refrigerant line only. The smaller tubing releases heat and shouldn't be covered with insulation. Position the insulation so the seam faces down. If you have insulation with an adhesive, remove the protective backing and press the seam together. If your insulation doesn't have an adhesive, use outdoor-rated tape every 6 to 12 inches to hold the insulation together. Don't wrap it too tight. Use tape or zip ties to hold the control wire in place. I added tape to support the insulation on the bends. If you need to connect two lengths of insulation, tape the seam between the sections.